Okay guys, here I am with another video. Window took a shit on me. Luckily I accidentally ordered an extra window regulator for the driver's side. I was supposed to order the passenger side, but I accidentally ordered the driver's side, so now I get to install it. This is the second or third one, I forgot. But here we go. Alright, there you go guys, short little video on the regulator. Everything works fine now, everything's good on it. Good thing I had an extra driver's side regulator in storage, so now gotta order the passenger side and driver's side extra. Sucks that these go out all the time easily. Those little plastic clips that hold the glass break easily. But thanks for watching.